Welcome back, guys, to another video. So today, if in the comments below, what do you think this is? And this is gonna be our big thing. In the you're in the thumbnail, you're gonna know what it is. So it's not really like anything. So
guys, we tried to do another video.
Yeah, we tried to do a video, and so by the way, yeah, we're doing baking soda and vinegar, like the thumbnail, and
Yeah, my mouth stinks from that explosion.
Okay, so
So I was holding the ball like this, right?
So Colton,
it was filled with baking soda and vinegar, and I shook it up. I was holding it. It blasted out the cap, and the water balls.
And Abigail, what was the bad thing? That Abigail's riding her bike, and I told her not to be in, to go away because things happen like these, and she was like,
especially on our channel. So, and the water ball freaking went like this.
Yeah, it seriously just smacked her right in the back.
Yeah. There's nothing we could do to avoid it except.
I mean, that happened to me once with the leg.
Yeah,
Remember? It was in her first. It was in one of her videos. I forgot what it was called, but it was on my tablet. So.
Oh, my mouth freaking tastes horrible.
So yeah, Colton was right there, and I was right there. I was filming, and then he chucks it at the ground. It bounces off, and just comes straight.
Remember when you fell?
Straight comes at me, hits my leg, and I just just tumble. That was funny. Oh, remember that one time when it was called raining baking soda and vinegar? If you haven't checked out our video, it's in our other videos on our other channel. Go check them out, but we don't make them anymore. But go check that out. It's gonna be in the description and stuff. And so I was going, and then I just and I just fall.
Just fall out.
And it just blows up on the side. We need. You know what reminds me? So you know how we're talking about the rocket launcher and how Colton shaked it up and did that. Well, to make it work, our baking soda and vinegar rocket launcher, we could shake it up like on the side and then just chuck it in there and it would explode for sure. What is Colton doing? Oh, okay. Just do it, Colton. It just blows this up. Just boom!
I don't even know how people do it.
I do. You just, here. You just, you just untwist it a little bit. Just a little bit. And then you just, oh, you let the gas out. That was a fail. But this is going to be our big boom boom at the end. So, where's the cap of this? Oh, it was the one that Abigail got hit by.
Okay, so we're going to try that again, guys. We'll see you in like seconds. Just a second. Or at least I will.
Yeah, we're just going to get ready. So,
yeah,
see you in there. Just gonna ooh, let's hit you with the water bottles. Woo! So we're back now, and here's a water bottle.
Dang it!
Oh my gosh!
Okay, apparently that wasn't a fail.
Yeah, that was not a fail, but it kind of wasn't a way because it's not working. I'm gonna be back in like a few seconds again, just because of explosion. It's all over the camera, as you can see.
They can't see it.
Well, yeah, they sort of can, like blur a little, like little things. I'm gonna do it now. I'll just be back. And I'm back from cleaning up, you guys. Oh no! Oops.
No! It didn't work. I need to put more.
No, it kind of did work, but it hit the skateboard and just.
No, it didn't work. I need to put more baking soda and vinegar in there.
Yeah, just a little bit. I know, but like if If Abigail wasn't in the way, then
Yeah.
we could have done the video and it would have got very viral
Yeah.
because of what happened. And it also knocked down the water bottle too. This water bottle, Abigail's water bottle. See, it knocked down and spilled all over. It's crazy.
That's perfect.
Yeah, that's perfect.
We're not gonna explode like a gnarly.
I feel like just holding my beauty beast in my hand.
Okay. Okay, so you need to stand back or you're gonna get splashed.
Okay, you're doing it this way, so. Put on, put on.
Ready. Fire! I said fire!
Hit it. What the heck?
Yo!
Did I catch that? I don't know if I did.
Yo!
That was weird. What's with their fails? Like it fails, but like in a way it failed, but like it worked. It went backwards.
Okay, I'm gonna put so much baking soda in here, I'm gonna use up that whole entire bottle.
No, don't.
Not sure.
That's enough. And then after this, it's gonna be our beauty, or maybe just mine, and then we'll do the beauty.
Okay, needs even more. Okay, we need to get spicy.
Ooh, that is actually spicy. We do not know. Throw it in the air and then do it.
Oh no! No!
Oh, what the? Just throw it in the air as high as you can. What if that failed and just exploded? Oh, it didn't make it.
Okay,
Just slam it.
grand slam.
Woo. Man, that was just little because all of the pressure, some of it went out.
Yeah. That was you know what? Why isn't it working anymore?
I don't know.
Like,
Do you think the rocket launcher would work?
yeah, just slam it.
No.
Shake it up.
No.
Okay, guys. If you guys haven't commented down below what is in this water ball, do it now.
They already know.
Just do it. Just do it. But yeah, guys, since we're about to show you.
Andrew, you have to come in and eat breakfast.
Didn't love breakfast. Didn't love breakfast. Okay,
So,
so if you guys haven't guessed what it is, we're about to show you in 3, 2, 1. That's right. It's baking soda and vinegar. It was perfectly clear, guys.
Yep.
Just like water.
Hello.
You should have made Michaela drink it. You should have.
Yeah. Just here's some water.
You want to finish my water? Sure.
Okay, 1 second. We're gonna do it one more time.
Okay, guys. You can't even see me. What in the heck? There we go. Okay, guys. So Andrew's doing his. And yeah.
Oh, the cup exploded. The cup cracked. Yep, this is our materials that you need, and then
What? No.
I'm just gonna make it clear again, like the beautiful beauties.
Yeah, like Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make it clear so.
But first you have to shake it up. Shake it up. Oh,
that
up.
just makes it more.
No, I know.
I'm gonna make it clear.
Let's make it clear. It can't be
Hey, wait,
boobly.
wait. $5 on the merch shirt. $5 on the merch shirt.
Here, look at my beautiful cat face shot. Look
Yummy.
at the ugly one. Look at that.
How you
big
feeling?
forehead.
I'm feeling vinegary. I just stepped on Colin's flip flop.
Yeah, I got them lit flip flops on. My feet are dirty since of baking soda and vinegar. Of course.
Okay, it's time.
For breakfast.
Oh yeah, I'm actually gonna.
Yeah,
eat
he
some
actually has to
pancakes.
eat breakfast in like 20 seconds.
Okay, I'm just gonna be strolling. You know, just
You see
random
him
person
strolling.
on my skateboard. You know, just a random person.
He's trying to be like, dude, perfect.
Oh, I know.
That's what he says.
Dun, dun, dun.
He is the one that doesn't get any respect up on the streets. See, Andrew, look, this is how it's done.
I didn't say. Where did the water bottle go?
Over there.
Okay.
Imagine it flew.
Where did the water bottle go? It lands right on your head.
No, imagine it flew into that person's empty or open garage. If you guys can see it way over there, that would have been so funny. Just. Oh yeah, there's a guy getting in his truck.
No, don't do that. We can't get the things on the car. You know that, right?
They can't see the things on the car.
The license plate, you know.
They've already seen our license plate like a billion times.
No.
Yeah.
Well, that's bad.
Yeah. So anyway, guys, we're doing things illegally. No, we're just joking. We're just joking.
Okay, so we're just gonna give you a clip of us cleaning.
Yeah. It's gonna be
No,
fun.
we're not.
That's gonna be fun. Okay. Anyway.
Hey, Cole, and you could just like entertain them. I'm gonna do it one more time.
Okay, so I'm gonna entertain you guys. No, I don't know how to entertain you. But anyway, so it's funny. I've already started working on my merch. I already have merch, but I don't even have my YouTube channel yet. By the way, it's gonna be called Dang Boy.
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 No, just Dang Boy.
Dang boy.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, it's chunky.
It's spelled DAAANGBOI. It's leaking. Yo, do you see that mist up in there? It's like Sierra mist. Shake it up. Shake it up again. Throw it. Throw it.
I didn't close it right.
Just throw it
Oh,
already.
it's because there's a hole. That's what you get, water bottle.
And he failed once more.
Well, okay, guys. Well, that's the end.
Yeah. Make sure to subscribe, like this video or our
merch is
other
coming
videos.
soon, pretty much.
Make sure to check out our other videos. I'm pretty sure Andrew's gonna put some of them in the link in the description down below. Also, guys,
Don't finish it yet.
boy.
Hey, Colin, you need some cleaning?
No, bro, I have a freaking bug in my mouth. Nasty.
Whoa, you could just see the bubbles coming off.
No way. But let's see this.
I'm making a rainbow.
That's a beautiful rainbow.
See?
Let's get a close shot up in there.
Yeah, this is our daily routine after we finish. We just clean up. So.
Yeah.
Yeah, so make sure to make sure to subscribe. Leave this like. Let's go for, how about just the easy classic 100. And so, yeah, guys, leave a like, subscribe, put on the notifications so you get my new videos. Like, it's like about like 2 times a week or something like that. So yeah, guys, make sure to subscribe and make sure to be scaly.
Oh yeah, and what was I about to say? Once we get up to 100 subscribers, guys, 100 different subscribers, not just one person subscribing every video like 90 times. But once we get
Here, give me the
100 subscribers,
Give me the camera.
we'll hopefully have our merch, and we'll give it out to whoever did the most subscribes.
No, whoever did the most
likes.
And watching. Well, actually, I don't really know. So yeah, guys, subscribe, put on the notifications, leave the likes. We're going for 100, and soon our merch should be there. Woo! Look at those knees. Well, yeah, guys.
Yeah, baby.
Like I said, make sure to be scaly, and let's go. See you on another video. Bye. It's not stopping. Help. Oh no. Okay, I'm just kidding. We're not gonna stop it right yet.
Why not?
We're going to do something fun. It's called pouring vinegar on Colton. I'm just kidding. I wish we caught that on video because, I wish Abigail didn't get hurt because then we could have caught it. And that's what left the marks. It seriously spilled all over the place. It hit it and just, and then the
look
cap.
at his car. Look at his car. This is all from that explosion.
No, it is. Oh,
Most
the little white marks.
Most
But
of it.
all of this dirty stuff is
From previous videos.
no. It's from my trips, like to California, Yellowstone, and all that stuff. So, yeah, guys, subscribe and yeah, make sure to be scaly. Goodbye.